Say hi. It's a quick video.
Hey, little bit. Happy birthday. Hello.
Oh yeah, you don't like being on camera, do you? And I'm gonna be here for a while. So. Yeah, buddy.
Dada.
Look, there's Grandma. And there's Avery, it's birthday girl. Hello.
Hi, honey.
There's Mom. And there's Emma.
Say hi, Emma.
Hi. Like, what is that thing? There's Grandma.
You take Grandma's picture.
There's Tim. Bart.
Hi, Avery.
Oh, there's Claudia. Oh, let's back up a little bit. And
Pictures or video?
this video.
Wow, that's a video?
Yeah.
Cool video. So like I'm being tape recorded like right now?
Yeah, right now. So you gotta do song and a dance.
No tape involved.
There's
No,
Nate.
no more crackers, not until you eat your broccoli.
Nate's gotta eat his broccoli
He doesn't
before he
want
gets
it.
goldfish.
You need help?
And there's Jessica. And
What is that?
it's a flip video, dude. The camera.
You're awesome, man.
Yeah.
You got all the toys.
Oh, there's Aunt Carrie again. Now we're gonna walk over here. Where are you guys going to?
Well, we're waiting for Avery to open all of her presents.
What
Blow
is-
out her candle.
Yes.
Eat the cake. We're waiting for cake. Waiting for cake.
All right, cake. My kind of people.
See that? Say happy birthday to your daughter.
Happy birthday, Avery.
Hello.
All right, now we're gonna go over here and say hi to Greg.
Is that a camcorder?
Yep.
That's scary. Look how small that one is, Jack.
Say hi.
Amazing.
Wow. You gotta
What's
get
up,
one
Jack?
of those, Dad.
Yeah.
Wait, can you hold it?
Jack,
What you got there, Jack?
So,
Yeah, buddy.
say happy birthday, Avery. Happy birthday, Avery.